welcome back. You're watching TechGig Code Gladiators with me, Samriti Grover. After exploring the coding arena at Geo Digital Life in Navi Mumbai, we traveled all the way to the Silicon Valley of the country, Bengaluru, and visited Accenture to know more about their theme, Internet of Things. Let's take a look. A generation that is setting new benchmarks in technology. This is Gen Z of Accenture.
New kind of technologies have created a need for a new kind of talent. But let me take a step back here. I believe that there is something larger at play right now. The fourth industrial revolution that focuses on digital has created a need for a new talent mindset for the workforce of the future. Organizations now need to continuously invest in ensuring that the talent is evolving to stay relevant to the market reality. Firms need to ensure that their existing and new talent is relevant and adaptable to the new market challenges.
It's the focus on the new that is helping Accenture to produce exceptional services in the tech sphere. With the evolution of IoT and artificial intelligence, this tech giant is leaving no stone unturned to tap into newer technologies.
Rotating to new is at the heart of our strategy, which in turn enables our customers to also transform and rotate to the new. Accenture today, we deliver cutting-edge technologies and digital solutions and innovative platforms to help our client businesses deliver tangible business outcomes and at the same time transform the client's business at the core. And today's technologies, the newer ones like artificial intelligence, big data analytics, these are evolving even quicker and faster, and the lead times will even shorten. So the impact of these technologies are really accelerating new business models and innovation exponentially.
And that's the reason why Accenture associated themselves with the IoT or Internet of Things theme at the TechGig Code Gladiators this year, a domain that plays a significant role in the coding arena and moreover in transforming the way we live.
Accenture is the innovation leader in IoT as per HFS Blueprint report. We are in the winner's circle, which is the highest position on innovation in IoT. And what got us here is basically the kind of client work that we have done across different industries in the space of IoT. The theme we have chosen this year is Internet of Things. IoT as a skill is very important for us at Accenture as we rotate to the new in the current scheme of things. And of the 5,000 registrations that we have received in round one, 2,500 cleared round one, which as you know is a multiple round quiz. And from 2,500, we have encouraged them to form groups, and we have selected the top 250 groups. From then, there is round two. For round two, we have chosen about 10 top groups from 250, and we invited them to Bangalore for the final round. And we're looking for some exciting ideas on IoT from these 10 participants.
The theme not only opened doors of opportunity for India's top coders to showcase their skills, but also helped the organization to tap into the right talent.
It's a robotic arm which is scalable and price efficient, because in our small scale industries they require automation, but it is not available. They cannot use it because it's very costly. So we have developed a solution which will help them to automate their systems remotely from their computers at home also, using IoT solutions.
We at Accenture are always very open to new and fun ways of engaging with our talent, the talent that we aspire to hire and onboard. And we realize that this generation does not like the traditional ways and forms of getting hired and onboarded. And we also believe that it's a two-way street, right? While we are completely focused on hiring best-in-class talent with great learning agility, the zest and the energy to prove themselves, we also are very conscious of the fact that we have to make ourselves relevant to them. We have to speak their language. We have to be prepared to connect with them at their level. And therefore, we feel gamification is the way to go. And we have multiple contests and hackathons and hiring challenges that we adopt not only for our technology business, but across all our businesses. And Code Gladiators is a part of that, and we are very excited to connect and partner on that.
With their prime focus on IoT, Accenture is setting new trends that will impact millions of lives with the power of connected technology. Insurance plays a pivotal role in our life, but it's the technology in this domain that has made our life even more secure. And that's the vision of another organization, AXA, who partnered with TechGig Code Gladiators this year with their theme, Bots. Let's take a look.
Life is full of uncertainties. One can't foresee the turning points, but one can definitely take the right decisions on time. And these decisions will secure your tomorrow. Impacting lives of millions with digitization at its core. This is the global insurance brand AXA that is empowering people to live a better life.
So for more than 30 years now, innovation has been at the core of AXA in order to provide and help creating a better life for our employees and for our customers. We have invested a lot in digital and also more recently in data science and data analytics capabilities, and we are leveraging all the new technologies in order to leverage all the data that we have today as being an insurance company in order to see how we can enhance our customers' life better through researches, through creating in-house apps, and through being really close to our partners and their needs when it comes to especially young consumers now who have different needs than before.
Leading technology-enabled services, AXA joined hands with TechGig Code Gladiators this year to celebrate the power of coding. With its theme Bots, AXA highlighted the need of having high-quality coding that is required to maneuver various data-related decisions in the insurance domain.
In the insurance space, innovation is still not taken full stream yet. Today, AXA, in that opinion, I would say, has taken a big step towards driving innovation across our entire organization. And that you can see in the different apps that comes across basis of ideas that get generated. And we are even getting to the point of using drones in our claims processing piece in some parts of the industry where AXA operates across the world. So innovation is something which is almost a culture, if not it is part and parcel of everything that we do on a regular basis.
In terms of coding, we are already applying coding at scale through Python or some of these recent open source technologies in our areas of machine learning and data science and big data. We have a lab for testing environment where we do champion versus challenger models and where we code different types of models and see who is the champion versus the challenger. And essentially these are used to solve a lot of business problems, whether it is process optimization to fraud detection to better customer journey experience to marketing spend optimization. You can think of plethora of these kind of examples where coding has been the deep end of what we are applying these skills to.
Bot Challenge tested perseverance, in-depth analysis of real-life situations, and brought the best of coders under one roof.
So at AXA, digital transformation is the core of our strategy. And from an Indian context perspective, given that we support close to 25 AXA entities globally, we wanted to leverage the power of robotics to support them in the digital transformation journey. And that's the reason why the entire hackathon event is built on bots as the theme.
With opportunities like these, AXA has created an unparalleled work atmosphere that breeds innovation and talks volumes about tackling new challenges with ease. And perhaps it's the key reason that helps the organization remain ahead in the field of insurance.
I personally feel that it is one of the best companies, and I truly value the opportunities which are provided over here and the scale of innovation which is provided by the work environment.
What we do here using our medical knowledge is actually catch the fraud or the medical fraud, the medical waste and abuse that happens in the insurance space. And it's a huge, huge scope of activity that we do here.
We try and ensure that people can think. We value more application rather than rule-based work, and to that extent I think events such as this help us to propagate that culture, not just from an industry perspective but also from an internal organization perspective. So we do a lot of stuff. We ensure that people can think, we ensure that we create them a culture where people can speak their mind out in a very non-threatening fashion.
A 3-decade-long technological journey and a promise of building a better future, AXA is now redefining the future of coding and changing the way we live.
So that completes our tally of 9 theme rounds. Next week, we get you the final theme round, Software Architecture Framework by Amadeus, and a lot more action from the ground. Till then, goodbye and see you next weekend.
Partnered by Times Influence.